Guys, it's the Stupendous Wave here with a video, and this one is that Oscar Isaac has been cast as Apocalypse. Now, I really like this choice. I guess I don't really know that much about him. I just have faith in Bryan Singer, although I think Matthew Vaughn deserved a whole lot of the credit for X-Men Days of Future Past. But still, I don't know this guy, so I'm assuming that he's a good actor. Apparently he was in Drive. I might be mistaken on that, but I did see Drive and I don't really seem to remember him. But we really don't know if it's going to be CGI or not. I know Tom Hardy was in the running, but I guess that really didn't fall through. That would have been my favorite choice, but apparently this guy has been the head pick to play Apocalypse, so I'll put my trust in Bryan Singer and hope for the best. I don't know if it will be CGI. He really needs to be a large guy, though. If Apocalypse is some skinny guy, I'm going to be upset. And if he's not CGI, that's going to upset me. Well, a mix of practical and CGI, because Apocalypse needs to be big. He needs to be intimidating, one of the largest, most fearsome mutants ever. So anyway, that's just my thoughts on the casting. Don't really know him very much, but apparently he's been the front runner for a long time. So I put my trust in Bryan Singer and the X-Men crew. So leave your thoughts in the comments. What do you think of Oscar Isaac playing Apocalypse in X-Men Apocalypse? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and have a great day.